So hello guys, welcome to your channel. I'm Deepika Singh. So today I'm talking about environmental pollution and types of pollution. So if you want to know all about environmental pollution, so don't skip this video, watch this video till end. So let's start. So first of all, I'm talking about environmental pollution. So what is environmental pollution? The word pollution comes from the Latin word polluere. That simply means contamination. Pollution is something that contaminates the environment. The presence of harmful substances in the air, land and water which can have an adverse effect on living beings and on the environment is pollution. So first of all, I think we should know about pollution. So what is pollution? The term pollution refers to any substance that negatively impacts the environment or organisms that live within the affected environment. Any changes in the environment which results in its harmful effects is called pollution, and agents which causes the pollution is called pollutants. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment. So now come to the next point. I'm talking about types of pollution. So how many types of pollution? I think that there are so many types of pollution, but today in this video I am talking about only 4 types of pollution. I am talking about only air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. So in this video I am talking about only these 4 types of pollution, okay? So listen carefully and know carefully, okay? So at first I am talking about air pollution. So what is air pollution? It is the contamination of the natural air by mixing it with different pollutants such as harmful fumes and chemicals. This type of contamination can be caused by burning material or by gases emitted by vehicles or by harmful fumes emitted by product of industry. Global warming is one of the biggest side effects of air pollution as per the expert. Air pollution is made up of different types of chemicals. It occurs in our atmosphere. So next I'm talking about sources, or we can say that causes of air pollution. So the first source of air pollution is factories, then burning of forests, then third one is increase in human population, rapid industrialization, deforestation. Transportation services are also the main causes or main sources of air pollution. So the effects of air pollution, क्या-क्या effects पड़ते हैं air pollution के? So the first one is air quality become worse, the sea level rises in temperature, irritation to human, then human health effect, long-term effect on human beings, chronic respiratory disease, then lung cancer, heart disease, damage to the brain, nervous, liver. Then come to the next point, control of air pollution. How can we control air pollution? So listen carefully if you want to know that how can we control air pollution. First one is government must take laws related to environment. Then growing more plants and trees, then minimize air pollution from cars, creating awareness regarding the protection on purity of environment, undesirable and excessive burning of firewood should be avoided. So the other type is water pollution. So let's know about water pollution. What is water pollution? It is the contamination of the water. So contamination का मतलब क्या होता है? Contamination का मतलब होता है दूषित. So it is the contamination of the water on the planet Earth. It includes water contamination by pollutants such as bacterial, chemical and particles that reduces the purity of the water. Any chemical, biological or physical change in the water quality that has a harmful effect on living organisms. So the sources or causes of water pollution. What are the sources of water pollution? So the first source is human dumping rubbish into ocean. Human dumping rubbish into ocean. Then factories dumping waste. Then 5 to 10 billion tons of industrial waste is dumped into the ocean. Then people directly pollute the water by washing their clothes and taking bath on the bank of the river. Then dumping garbage and domestic waste. So come to the next point. What are the effects of water pollution? So the first effect is death of the aquatic. Aquatic यानी कि water, पानी के अंदर जो रहते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं aquatic. Death of aquatic animals, then disruption of food chain, देन डिजीजेस, और कौन सा इफेक्ट होता है, नेक्स्ट होता है ऑन ह्यूमन हेल्थ पे भी तो इफेक्ट होता है ना. देन ऑन द इन्वायरमेंट, water pollution is very harmful to human, animal or water. Then control of water pollution, how can we control water pollution? So the first point is regular monitoring of water or wastewater. Stop ocean dumping. So come to the next type of pollution. So noise pollution. Now I'm talking about noise pollution. So what is noise pollution? It is the loud noises which are fashioned by human activity that disturb the standard of living in the affected area. It can shoot from things such as railroad, traffic, loud music, concerts, aeroplanes, fireworks. This can even result in permanent or temporary loss of hearing as well as disturbances to wildlife. So in simple words, sound that is unwanted or disturbs one's quality of life called as noise. When there is lot of noise in the environment, it is termed as noise pollution. So the sources of noise pollution, first one is transportation system, then construction of buildings, industrial noise, loudspeakers, sounds from motor vehicles, sounds from musical instruments, factory machinery, traffic noise, noise from construction work. Then what are the effects of noise pollution? So first one is irritation, then sleep disturbance, increased BP or blood pressure, increased stress. Noise pollution affects both health and behavior. Unwanted sound can damage psychological health, hearing loss. Then control of noise pollution. How can we control noise pollution? Then first one is prohibition on usage of loudspeakers, using protective equipment, then use of ear protection device, then reducing the noise level from domestic sector, then shut the doors when using noisy machinery, then doors and windows should be well sealed, then lower the volume. Then it is necessary to aware the people about noise pollution. So now come to the next type of pollution, that is land pollution. So what is land pollution? Land pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the environment and the degradation of the earth's surface caused by an abuse of resources and improper disposal of waste. Human elements are responsible for land pollution such as dumping and also pesticides. So sources of land pollution, first one is agricultural source, then industrial waste, then construction sources, deforestation, human sewage, population growth, dumping of toxic waste material. So come to the next point, effects of land pollution. Causes problems to skin, causes cancer, harms or destroys ecosystem, effect on human health, effect on wildlife, loss of forest, less vegetation. The land cannot be construct house, man cannot be farmed, groundwater will also get affected. So come to the next point, control of land pollution. How can we control land pollution? First one is disposing waste correctly, treatment techniques, then good agricultural practices, follow instruction carefully when using pesticides and chemicals to prevent soil, air or water pollution. Then dispose of litter in an appropriate way. Litter means kuda. Then pump your septic tank at least 3 years, which will help to control groundwater pollution. So I hope you understand environmental pollution and types of pollution. So if you like this video, do like, and if you are new in this channel, so do subscribe, share and click the bell icon for daily updates and latest video. So bye bye guys, take care. Thanks for watching.